How's it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your carbon fiber B-pillar overlay on your C8 Corvette. Let's get into it. So the first step to getting this product installed is we need to prep the area we're going to be working in. We are going to do that by cleaning this fake black window behind your real window with some sort of alcohol-based cleaner like a glass cleaner. We're going to clean that to the best of our ability, wipe it down, and let it dry for a minute or two, and then we are ready to get this installed. Once we have that step completed, we are going to next grab the actual product itself and get that prepped and ready to install on the car. We are going to do that by first orientating it. Looks like it installs like that. We're working on the right side, obviously. And then we are going to flip it over to the back, where we will be greeted with 5 or 6 pieces of the 3M adhesive tape. We are going to go ahead and peel off the red backing on these, and once we do that, the product will be prepped and ready to stick on the car. And once you get that tape peeled, it should look something like this. Now, in order to stick this down, we are going to want to align this piece the best we can with the window, which thankfully the piece does have a lip on the sides, which makes doing this easier. The biggest lip is going to be the one closest to the roof and closest to your window in this corner right here. So that is going to be kind of our alignment point, if you will. So we are just going to kind of ease that corner in there until it grabs like so. Then we will run it down to the bottom. And that looks good to me. And then we'll work our way back and stick it down. Apply some pressure, of course. Make sure that adhesive is sticking. You'll want to apply pressure evenly. And once you have evenly applied the pressure and the piece looks and feels like it is stuck down, well, all that we have to do left is now hit it with some detail spray, get rid of our fingerprints and smudges we left, and then give it some time for the adhesive to cure and attach itself fully to the panel there. So that is the install for this product. Of course, repeat the same process for the other side. And then you are ready to rock and roll to your car show with some extra carbon fiber on your side profile. Pretty cool. And there you guys have it. Like I said, pretty easy install and a great way to bring some carbon fiber to the side profile of your C8 Corvette. If you're interested in this product or any of the other variations of this, the install is going to be the same for just about all of them. They'll be linked in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.